Hi! In this video I'm going to show you how to pronounce sounds. We have two types of sounds, consonants and vowels. I'll talk about the characteristics of each of them in another video. Here I'm just showing you some photos of places of articulations, which means those parts of body which help you to pronounce sounds, to say sounds. I'll also give you some examples, some words with English letters having those sounds. Let's first of all go to places of articulation.
Dental, labiodental, bilabial, alveolar, postalveolar, palatal, velar, glottal.
We have about 24 English consonants. Let's go to see their places of articulation and also some examples.
Bilabial, p, b, m,
P, b, m,
p. Pen, map, apple, b, book, rub, table, m, me, numb, charming. Labiodental, v,
v,
fan, roof, coughing, phone, v, van, cave, moving. Dental, th,
v,
thanks, math, bathtub, they, bathe, mother. Alveolar, n, t, d, s, z, l.
n, t, d, s, z, l.
N, nose, 9, mineral. T, 10, cat, butler, washed. D, door, blood, buddy. S, sun, bus, pencil. Z, zoo, doors, buzzing. L, lamp, bell, popular. Postalveolar, sh, j, ch, j,
sh, j, ch, j.
sh, sheet, wash, machine. Sure, j, genre, garage, vision, measure. Ch, chair, bench, picture. J, job, orange, ranger. Palatal, ye,
Ye,
ye, yes, yellow. Velar, ng, k, g, w.
ng, k, g, w.
Ng, speaking, bring, ringing. K, kite, cat, book, queue. G, girl, mug, bigger. W, well, wind, we. Glottal, house, hall, perhaps. Setback, fitness, clipboard, background.
Let's go to vowels. We have 14 English vowels and 8 diphthongs. The letters that we use for these sounds in English are A, E, I, O, U. Let's see and hear some examples. E, E, I.
E, he, tea, meat. E, happy, noisy, heavy. I, big, hit, it, is.
E, A, R.
E, egg, 10, head, apple, bag, cat, arm, far, father.
O,
Orange, mother, not. For, more, door.
U, oo.
Book, put, should. Educate, situate. Two, who, two, blue. Cup, bus, some. Girl, nurse, shirt. Ago, about, around.
A, O, I, ow, oi.
A, name, game, bake, train. O, go, home, no. I, high, 9. I, ow, cow, now, brown. Oi, join, toy.
Ia, ea, ua.
Ear, beer, near, Korea. Air, where, pair, care. Sure, cure, secure.
Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. When another video is ready, it will let you know. Bye for now.